Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add block transition effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to add, you just click on the box white icon, this one, click on it. And after this, you can click on the effect. And after this you can swipe until you can see a blocks. This is the block transition effect, so you just click on it. And after this you can set the duration for the effect, so you just swipe left or right this icon like this. And after this you can click on apply to all for add the transition to all videos. This one, apply to all, so you just click on it. And after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add block transition effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.